Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can add your own word effect on Messenger. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Messenger app in your device. Then, tap on the chat on which you want to add your own word effect. After that, tap on the profile option. Next, you can see the option of word effects. Tap on it. After that, you can see the option of add a word or phrase. Tap on it. Then, add your choice of word. Here I am adding hi. Next, you can see the option of stickers. Tap on it. Then select sticker of your choice. Then tap on the arrow option. So, this is how you can add word effect of your choice on Messenger. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.